But this was the moment markets were waiting for. The India-US trade deal is finally ready. Dalal Street is celebrating in style. Indian equities opened to their biggest ever surge. From stocks to the rupee, sentiment turned sharply positive. And here's how this landmark deal triggered a blockbuster day on Dalal Street. The moment markets were waiting for. The deal is done and Dalal Street is on fire. History was made overnight as India and the United States sealed a landmark trade agreement, sending a powerful signal to global markets. This was not just diplomacy, this was a game-changing economic breakthrough. A bumper opening on Dalal Street, the Josh sky high, sentiment euphoric and confidence flooding back into Indian markets. Indian stock markets surged with the BSE Sensex rising over 4,200 points and the Nifty 50 climbing 1,250 points during trade. Investor and traders both relieved about easing tariff uncertainty and a boost in investor confidence. Stocks listed on the BSE added more than 20 lakh crore rupees to market capitalization within minutes of the opening bell. The opening gains in indices today were the largest ever in the history of Indian stock exchanges. The previous highest spike was in May last year, and before that in June 2024. Industries across India are celebrating. From textiles to pharma, electronics to machinery. Export-heavy stocks lead the rally as the trade deal unlocked fresh global demand visibility. The biggest winners span key export-driven sectors: textile and garments, auto and auto ancillary, shrimp exporters, chemicals, solar equipment and consumer stocks, as global demand confidence returns and trade flows strengthen.
We are at the top of the pyramid, in the sense that we are going to be providing a large part of IT services to the global nation. In fact, I think most of the IT company stocks, I think, were underrated or not rated well, largely because of the fact that if American companies are not spending enough money, I think where would be the technology traveling to? Today, I think that cloud is over.
The momentum spilled into the currency markets as well. The rupee strengthened sharply against the dollar, gaining 111 paise, reflecting rising confidence, stronger capital flow expectations, and improving global sentiment after the India-US trade deal. The India-US deal is also expected to revive foreign investor confidence and reverse the massive fund outflows which have plagued stock markets for the past year.
One of the reasons why the FPIs have been holding back for all entire 2025 was largely due to the trade uncertainties, because it's not only the tariffs which matter, but also the signals that it gives, saying that India and US were kind of going apart. Now this deal decisively puts both the countries together.
It was a historic morning for Indian markets. It marked a structural shift. It opened a new chapter in India-US economic ties. And Dalal Street delivered a blockbuster day. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.